Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. Now in today's video, I'm going to be taking you along on this beautiful setup for a gender reveal that I did a couple of months ago. This was actually in the beginning of July, so I am all the way backed up when it comes to my content, but I'm still trying to crank these out for you guys. So yeah, let's get into the setup. So this was a setup for a gender reveal, and one thing that I really loved about this client is that she knew exactly what she wanted. I have never had this much communication with any of my other clients like I did with her. So she knew everything from the colors to the type of color she wanted the backdrop to be, to the color of the vinyl. She was so particular about every single thing, and I'm so happy that I was able to bring her vision to life and that she was satisfied with the end result. She was really happy, and it was so good to see that big smile on her face, and she got to take her beautiful pictures with her husband, and it was just a beautiful event in general. This was also my biggest order, I guess, so far, because she had these two backdrops and then about 6 helium bouquets, 2 columns, and then a couple of centerpieces as well. And I had this booking on a busy weekend, so it was really crunch time. That's why you see that pretty much the whole garland was already blown up beforehand, because that was just the only way that I was gonna get done in time. So let's go over the colors really quickly. I was so happy with this color scheme, and again, this was all the client's work. I literally sent her the brand and the colors that I was thinking about, and she went to Google, she went to Pinterest to see what it looks like in real life, and she was just so very specific about what she wanted. So for the main colors, we went with Baby Pink by Tuftex and then Winter Green by Kalisan. That was actually supposed to be Empowerment by Tuftex, but my vendor was out, so that was really sad, but I think I got a pretty good alternative. And then we had white stuffed inside white sand for the nude color, and then there's some Tuftex cameo sprinkled in there as well. I really like the fact that she didn't go for like the traditional blue and pink for her gender reveal, because let me tell you, these colors together looked so luxurious and so classy. I was so happy with the end result. I was a little bit bummed because I wasn't able to get really good footage of the end result for you guys, but I do have a TikTok that I'm gonna post at the end here so that you guys can see what the finished result looked like. She also had ordered a welcome sign. I forgot to mention that as well, so that was also one of the things that I had to do. So yeah, overall I was really pleased with this setup. Again, me and the client were in communication. It felt like 24/7, and that's something that I haven't experienced before. So I want to pass the question off to you guys. Do you prefer a client that knows exactly what they want, down to the color, down to the font, down to the texture of every single little piece of your backdrop? Or do you prefer a client that kind of just gives you creative control and says, here, this is kind of what I want, and I want you to just make it your own and have fun with it? So yeah, leave it in the comment section below. So at this point, I'm just going in with my 5 inches that I always blow up in advance because it just takes way too much time. So yeah, overall, I was really proud of myself with this setup because again, it was really large. I had so many elements to do, and then I had a booking the day after as well, so it was just a lot going on. And then again, because my client was so specific, I wanted to make sure that it was perfect. But in the end, again, she was really happy. They got beautiful pictures, and it ended up being a little baby boy, and she said that that was what she was feeling, so it was really cute to see that her instinct was already on point. So yeah, I'm going to put some clips up of the entire setup because I am missing some elements on the backdrop right now, and then you're gonna see the helium in the columns and the centerpieces as well. So let me know what you guys think about this setup in the comment section below. Also check out the description box for some special links. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. You can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac, and I will catch you in the next one.